been trading for more than 5 years, and I'm not exaggerating when I'm telling you that I will be using this one scalping strategy for the rest of my life. For the past month, I used one indicator only, and I achieved an 88% win rate and passed my prop firm challenges. So let me show you guys trades I took so you can achieve the same results today. Guys, quick break for the giveaway. We have a giveaway question for you guys throughout the video, so watch the whole video. We'll be giving away one prop firm challenge. Good luck to you guys, and answer the giveaway question in the comments. So let's get right into it, guys. So as you guys can see, we have a lot of alerts here: short, TP, short. So actually we have a bunch of winning trades. Actually right here we had a short. This is actually a trade that I took as well. Right here we have some shorts, but these are outside of the session. So anyways, let's get into this day right here. It was Friday 22nd of August. I was just literally waiting for NYSE. If you don't know what NYSE is, it's a New York Stock Exchange open. Once that came in, let me play the candles right here. The next candle was a beautiful manipulation candle right here. And what I did right here, like if you're familiar with the channel, you guys already know we have a 15-minute manipulation candle from the daily open and the 1-hour bullish fair value gap. This indicator is showing me the fair value gap as well. I didn't mark it whatsoever, so this is a really nice tool as well for that. We closed above the monthly open, we closed above the New York high, we closed above also this session high. So it's basically showing me the sessions as well. And what I did right here was very simple. So I took a buy right here with the stop loss below and the TP right here. It was for around the 1 to 2. And then we had a deep pullback right here. What a lot of people would do here, maybe get scared or whatever, like close their position. But that's the beauty if you have data and if you can trust your strategy, actually, you know, because you should never be looking at your trade while the trade is going, because the reality of trading is that this thing can come all the way to the stop loss and still reverse a couple points before that. So never touch the trade and just let it play out. And funny enough, after that, we had a huge push and we hit the TP just like that. It was a really nice trade. I made around 4% with the commissions and with bread and whatever. It was like around 3.8% that I made on that day. I took it on both accounts. It was a really nice trade. Of course, this was a news event right here. You guys can see we had Fed Chair Powell speak, but did I care about the news? Not really, to be honest. Even if it's like NFP, CPI, I don't care about the news, and I just follow my own strategy always, and I just trade through to that. Why? Because look, it doesn't really matter like if it's a news event, because this move would have happened regardless, and the news is just a catalyst for that, and is giving the volume, and orders are coming into the market, and we're pushing, and you're just getting pretty much the move faster than it should be, you know. But if you're looking at this trade right here, reason why I was bullish is the intraday trend was really strong bullish. Let's see. So right here we swept this low right here, swept the previous daily low, and we are having kind of like a V-shaped recovery right here. So the move is clearly to the upside. London session has grabbed the liquidity, and if you guys are familiar with the AMD model, because the manipulation candle and the manipulation model has always an AMD cycle behind it. So we have the accumulation right here, and then market is going to the downside right here and manipulating, taking out this low. Many people go short, and then we bounce right back, and this closure right here is the signal for that, and then we're pushing to the upside. Of course, during this time I'm not trading because this is London session and I'm trading the Nasdaq, and I'm not really interested in trading the Nasdaq during the London session. Regardless of that, I know I have my context that I have the accumulation, I have the manipulation. What is now going to come most likely during New York session is the distribution phase. It's as simple as that. Usually you will see these patterns really smoothly and nicely on the 50-minute time frame, and I'm on the 50-minute time frame right here, and I took this trade also on the 50-minute time frame. This was the NYSE candle, and then we had the bounce to the upside. And funny enough, all this context is nice. Of course you should look at that, but the indicator just gave it away, you know, just right away. Long signal and the TP, this is set up 1-to-1, but you can change the settings also to 1-to-2 just like me, and I went for more than that. And yeah, so now let's get into the gold trade, guys. Gold has been really bullish. We've been seeing all-time highs for the past week, and we took a really nice gold trade. Let's get right into it. So on this day, this is Thursday 4th of September, and this is now the Asia session, so this is not the trade that we took, but this trade played out as well. Look, short signal right here here from the daily open, and you got your TP right here. Really easy trade. So right here, I want you guys to understand that we are in a really big fair value gap zone. Obviously, because the trend is bullish, we are looking for buys. That's why I didn't take this short. I mean, regardless, it's Asia session. I'm not trading that session usually, but the trend is bullish. So I want to take the easy trade, the buys, where I can hold my trades and I can ride the all-time highs and take some really nice trades. So that's exactly what happened. So next candle, if you guys look at it right here, we have a 30-minute bearish manipulation candle. So some guys would maybe take a short here, but this is not the right trade. Why? Because we are in a bullish trend, and in a bullish trend we look for bearish manipulation candles to become a bear trap, and that's exactly what I did right here. So the next candle right here is trapping this candle. The moment I'm seeing this trap right here, I'm already looking for the long, you know. So we have a bearish manipulation candle which got trapped by a bullish 30-minute manipulation candle. We have the long signal once again, really simple. But what I did, I jumped into longs right here after this candle closed, and again I was looking for around 1 2, but I held the trade for more than that with a runner, but 1 to 2 was a realistic target right here. So we took the buys right here with the stop loss below and the TP above, and from there on the TP was going, and you guys can see this green line right here. This green line, if I put this to the side, this green line is showing the TP, and it is also part of the indicator. Right here we are ranging, and eventually volume is kicking in. This trade took a while, to be honest, and yeah, right here then with the NFP it hit the TP, and like I said, I went for a little bit more than that. But regardless of that, really easy and simple trade, you know. You guys can see one long signal entry right here and exit right here or here or here, whatever. It all depends on your settings, of course, you know. But right here even there's another setup with the bear trap with the news. And yeah, one main thing that we can learn from this trade is always go with the trend, because look, we had a bearish manipulation candle right here, and this is a beginner mistake that you get into these engulfings and you think, we're gonna maybe get the low sweep again and then form bullish structure maybe. But no, it literally tapped it once, and because the bullish momentum was so strong and buyers stepped in pretty fast, we just jumped up right away from there. The buy signal was there as well with M30 MC, and that's about it. So guys, as simple as that, I passed both of my funding pips account with these trades right here. I even had an FTMO account that I passed as well, and I didn't do anything crazy, guys. I literally took my time and I just waited for A+ setups, and that's what you guys should do. Don't try to take every trade or take a trade every day. Look for the right opportunities. It can take you maybe a week or two, but it's better than losing and then blowing a bunch of challenges. There's no benefit in that either, you know, especially for your long-term growth. So giveaway question, guys. I'm curious, what are you guys thinking about the indicators? Would you use it yourself? Are you impressed by the results? Honestly, I myself, I'm extremely impressed. I had an 88% win rate using the indicator alone. It's giving you the entry signal and the exit signal, so literally everything. So let me know your opinion in the comments below, and good luck. If you guys want to get started completely for free, click the link in the description. We have a full course, almost 2 hours long, on YouTube. You go watch that, learn the trading, learn the strategy. You can get the free starter bag as well. Click the links in the description, and see you guys in the next video.